How to sign out from your Apple ID account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sign out from your Apple ID account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is you'll need to head over to your settings. After you head over to your settings, you should find your Apple ID on the top, as you can see right here. Now tap on it. And after you tap on it, you will see your Apple ID and scroll down for a bit, and on the bottom you'll find a sign out option. Tap on the sign out option. Now you'll have to type in your Apple ID's password, and after you type in the password, you can simply log out, and it's that simple. Now I will not be logging out from my Apple ID account, so yeah, but that is basically how you can sign out from your Apple ID account. Now that is all for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. If you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So yeah, that's all for today. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.